What's up, y'all? So back with another one. Hope y'all doing well. I'm here in Memphis at an organization called S.O.S. Stands for Service Over Self, and they do a lot of good work throughout the city, helping restore roofs on different people who can't afford it, through a regular contractor. So I reached out. They reached out to me for some work, and right off of Poplar, if you familiar with Memphis, you know. But yeah, y'all, so today I'm going to be doing all the flat surfaces. So I don't think these flat surfaces been clean ever, if not in a long time. So I'm gonna get all of that. Super loud, busy street, but get all of this, come around this way, all the way down. I'm actually not gonna walk all the way down there. Y'all see some footage, but very dirty. Definitely gonna use a hot mix. See all around the door, a lot of organic. Taped up the outlet, just safety precaution. So get all of that. Man, look at all that down there. Do my best to get that as well. So yeah, y'all, I'm all set up, ready to go. It's a little cold today, but it is what it is. Sun out, it's warming up. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna take y'all with me. Like I said, I'm gonna be using the X-Jet because that's gonna pull a hot mix. I got my pump sprayer as well for some of those hard spots. Mostly on the surface clean, 16-inch. Plenty of pressure washing hose because I got to get around that other side. But yeah, y'all, stay tuned. Show y'all the process. All right. right, y'all, so I'm wrapped up. It's one of them things, y'all, like I'm being real, like I'm still learning, you know, my skill set, and just quoting certain jobs, you know, realizing like, man, sometimes jobs take way longer, you know, than you expected. And being a dad too, you know, it's my day to pick up the kids on Fridays. My wife, she works, so, you know, we tag team, but I ain't really get as much footage as I wanted, but it's all good. I got to come back and get some after pictures, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow. It's supposed to be super cold, like 15, 20 degrees next week, but it's all good. I'm trying to reel up this garden hose and talk to y'all, but I'm gonna come back, get it done, man. And another positive note, I actually got 2 potential jobs. So while I was like here cleaning, had somebody that worked here ask for a quote, then somebody called me and she reached out for a quote, so that's pretty cool. Silver lining, you know, whatever you want to call it, but man, God be showing out, y'all. He be showing out for your boy, and I appreciate that. So anyway, let me get this cleaned up, go get my children, and until next time, subscribe, turn your notifications on. I appreciate y'all for watching. Take care.